Artificial intelligence has entered industries once thought safe from automation and disruption. One of the most surprising fields being transformed is the legal profession itself today. AI-powered robo-lawyers are being developed to analyze cases and even argue in court. This breakthrough raises serious questions about the future role of human lawyers worldwide. Some experts see AI as a revolutionary tool that improves access to justice greatly. Others warn it could undermine ethics, fairness, and trust in the legal system. The idea of a machine defending someone in court seems futuristic yet possible. Robo-lawyers combine data analysis, natural language processing, and predictive algorithms at scale. They can review massive amounts of legal documents faster than any human could. But can they really win court cases, or is this idea still unrealistic? 1. What exactly is a robo-lawyer? A robo-lawyer is not a robot in a suit standing in court today. Instead, it is an advanced AI system designed to process and apply legal knowledge. These systems use natural language processing to understand legal texts and court records. They can draft contracts, analyze evidence, and suggest strategies for human lawyers efficiently. Some platforms already provide legal advice directly to consumers online with AI chatbots. The ultimate vision is an AI system capable of representing clients in real cases. This concept blurs the line between human expertise and machine intelligence in law. It sparks debates about whether machines can ever replace human judgment in justice. 2. How AI analyzes legal data. The legal field generates enormous amounts of data every single year worldwide. Court rulings, statutes, contracts, and evidence create a vast sea of information. AI excels at scanning, sorting, and interpreting this information at lightning speed daily. Machine learning algorithms find patterns and precedents in millions of past cases quickly. This allows AI to predict likely outcomes with surprising accuracy and consistency overall. Human lawyers take weeks or months to conduct similar research and preparation. By providing instant insights, AI saves time and gives lawyers a competitive advantage. This data-driven approach is the foundation of how robo-lawyers can function in practice. 3. Early experiments in AI courtrooms. Several real-world experiments have already tested AI in legal context worldwide. One AI system in the United States was used to challenge parking fines. It successfully helped thousands of people dispute minor cases with automated arguments. In China, courts are experimenting with AI tools to streamline judicial decision-making processes. Other pilot projects involve AI preparing briefs and analyzing complex commercial disputes. These experiments reveal the potential for AI to handle smaller cases reliably. However, they also show limitations when human empathy and nuance are required. The experiments are important steps toward understanding AI's strengths and weaknesses in law. 4. Advantages of robo-lawyers. AI-driven legal systems bring clear benefits that cannot be ignored anymore today. They reduce costs by automating repetitive and time-consuming legal research instantly. This makes legal assistance more affordable for people who cannot pay expensive fees. AI also increases efficiency by speeding up document review and case preparation completely. For firms, this means handling more clients with fewer resources and improved accuracy. Robo-lawyers eliminate human fatigue and can work continuously without slowing down at all. They also provide consistent results unaffected by personal bias or emotional distraction. These advantages show why many law firms are adopting AI tools aggressively worldwide. 5. Risks and ethical concerns. Despite benefits, robo-lawyers raise serious ethical concerns across the legal industry today. AI decisions are only as fair as the data they are trained on. Biased datasets could reinforce existing inequalities in the justice system unintentionally. Lack of transparency in algorithms makes it hard to explain AI decisions clearly. Clients may also struggle to trust legal advice from a non-human entity. There are concerns about accountability if an AI system makes harmful mistakes. Who takes responsibility when a machine's judgment leads to injustice or wrongful outcomes? These questions highlight the complex ethical debates surrounding AI in legal contexts. What seems futuristic now may soon become common in courts across many nations. The challenge is making sure technology serves justice rather than undermines it deeply. The partnership between humans and AI could transform law into something truly remarkable. If you enjoyed this exploration, remember to like and subscribe for more insights. Together, we will keep uncovering the future where technology and society intersect powerfully.